How we doing? It's been a while. Been a very long while actually, to be fair. Roughly 6 months I think from the last time I recorded a video for you. But I am back with a few changes though. I shall explain all on a little ride, I think, because it's been a while since we've been out for a ride together. So I think it's only right, my first video back, we go for a little ride. What I plan on doing is probably splitting this video into sort of 3 parts, all in one video, but I'll just sort of put into sections to be like. So I think what I'll do is talk about where I've been, why I disappeared, and then we'll go on to the changes, because there's been a few changes since my last video. The way I'm going to do the channel from now on kind of links back to section 1 if you like, but yeah, we'll go from there. But nothing rambling on, let's go and get back on the bike. Oh yeah, there is probably one thing I should mention, the bike. Yeah. This is obviously not my XR. That is now my Aprilia Toronto V4 factory. Yeah, I did tell you things have changed. That's not the only change either. So let's just crack on, shall we? Gotta love the sound of a V4. So welcome back to the channel, guys. Like I say, it has been a while. So we'll start with section 1. Where the hell have I been? So I decided to sort of stop making YouTube videos purely on the fact that I found myself going into this little black hole of YouTube. I was only riding my motorbike to make videos, and that isn't what I wanted to do. Obviously I enjoy making the videos 100%. I then got to the point of only going out on my bike to make a YouTube video. So obviously when it comes to actually riding my bike, because I wanted to for enjoyment purposes, I then started thinking, oh, I should have made a video then. Oh, I could have made a video here, I could have made a video there, well, that would have made a good video. So yeah, it got to the point of me thinking, oh, I'm not enjoying riding anymore. For me, it ended up becoming, I'm riding just to make a video, and I didn't like that. So I decided it was time to have a bit of a break from YouTube, find a love for riding again, because obviously, well, we're all bikers, we all love riding, and I was sort of missing that. So I decided to step back away from it, find the love for riding again. If I get back into YouTube, I'll get back into YouTube. If I don't, I don't. It's one of them things, isn't it? But it's been, what, 6 months? Maybe a little bit longer since the last video for you. So I thought, well, I've sort of missed making the videos. I missed editing them. I missed chatting to you guys. And obviously a lot's changed since I last spoke to you. I think I last spoke to you, I was sort of contemplating about getting rid of the XR. Obviously that did happen, but only recently. I've only had this bike since June 2024. So yeah, the XR has only recently gone. Roadworks everywhere. What I'm going to try and do is try and find the happy medium between riding my bikes and making YouTube videos. I don't want to go back into that black hole again of doing videos just to ride my bike and vice versa. So yeah, that's the plan. But that is pretty much why I decided to disappear. No other reason, just I wanted to find the love for riding the bikes again.
And with the past 6 months, it has definitely helped. I absolutely love riding a bike again. It's been amazing. I've really enjoyed the past 6 months of just riding and not having to worry about making videos and, you know, the time frame of making videos and stuff like that. So I think I'm now at the stage for making videos and coming back on YouTube again, which I hope you'll be happy to hear. Oh, this bike sounds so good. So good. Unfortunately, the roads are a little bit damp and I don't trust these tyres. They're good tyres in the dry. When it's bone dry, they're absolutely awesome. I think they're the Pirelli Rosso something or another. I'll put it on the screen. I can't remember exactly what they are, but they're brilliant in the dry. Stick like shit to a blanket, but in the wet, no, they're not so great. They haven't got a lot of wet grip or wet confidence, so we take a little bit easy, which is very difficult on this bike, taking it easy. I have found that. This bike is so addictive. I'm trying to learn to ride it sensibly, sort of, you know, speed limits, but I do find it very difficult. But anyway, let's talk about the changes that's been going on. So obviously this is the first change. I sold my XR and bought an Aprilia Toronto V4 factory. Why? Just basically, this has been on them bikes. It's been a bit of an itch for a long time. I've loved them. I think the sound is absolutely phenomenal. Obviously, you know, there's not many bikes out there, if any, that sounds as nice as a V4 Aprilia. I mean, I'd say the R1, the sort of Yamahas, their engine is phenomenal. It sounds amazing, but I do just think the Aprilia sounds so much better. It just does. I can't help it. I just think it's the best sounding bike ever made, and that's one of my pulls for this bike, the sound. But there has been a few other changes as well. So obviously, this being one, I am actually the owner of 2 other bikes now as well. One you already know is a monkey bike. That's going nowhere. That monkey bike is phenomenal. But I also own a third bike. I actually own this, a Ducati Scrambler. Now, why have I got one of them? Basically, I needed a bike to ride with my wife on, and the bike she now owns, which is this, which is the Triumph Street Twin. Phenomenal bike, absolutely lovely thing, but it's not the most powerful bike in the world, and obviously she just likes to sort of plod along on it, and I just find sometimes this bike's a little bit too aggressive for that. So I've done a bit of digging. I was looking at the Kawasaki, I think it's a Z650, the sort of retro looking one. I'll put a picture up. But I was just speaking to the guy in the dealership. He basically said that, you know, it's not what I want. I'm going from a Aprilia to one of them. It's going to be, yeah, it's not going to be right. I'm not going to enjoy it. I want a more fun bike to ride. And he recommended the Ducati Scramblers, which I had looked at previously, but I hadn't really thought about too much of them. Yeah, that is my now 3 bikes: my Aprilia, my Ducati, and my monkey bike. There is also another 2 bikes in the garage, including my 3. There's another 2. My wife obviously has got her own bike, like I just mentioned, the Triumph Street Twin. She's also bought a Honda Grom. That was a real sort of spare of the moment buy for her. She just said one day, fancy buying a Grom? Obviously I was like, yeah, brilliant, I've got something to ride with monkey on. Yeah, definitely, go for it. I love this sound. I love the sound of this bike. So yeah, I suppose the last section I really want to talk to you about is whether I'm here to stay and how I plan on changing the channel up. So my idea is, yes, to stay. I want to carry on making videos for you. I have missed chatting to you. I have missed answering all the comments. You know, I miss editing the videos. So yeah, I want to get back into it all, but I don't want to fall back into a hole that I was talking about earlier on about, you know, only going out on my bike to make YouTube videos. So I need to find that happy medium, and I think the best way for me to do that is not be restricted on time restraints for videos and just get a video out because it's, you know, the second week or whatever. You know, I used to make videos every 2 weeks. I think, you know, if I'm not happy to sit there and watch the video I've made and enjoy it, then you guys are going to enjoy it. It's going to be completely pointless. So I think the way I'm going to carry on doing this now is I'm going to bring videos out to you, but I'm going to bring videos out when I think they're worth bringing out. So if I made a video and I like it and I'm happy to sit back and watch it myself, then I'll post it and let you see it. But if I make a video and it ends up being a bit crap and I don't enjoy it myself, then I don't see the point in posting it for you guys to see. So I'm not going to be regular with the videos. Oh, that's tighter than I thought. So yeah, I'm not actually going to be bringing a video out every 2 weeks or every week and stuff like that. What I think I'll do is I'll go out and make a video, I'll edit it, I'll watch it back. If I enjoy it, I'll post it to you. If I don't enjoy it, well then I won't. I want you guys to follow this channel and enjoy the videos I make, not just to get a video out. It seems a bit a waste of my time, a waste of your time watching it, and then you guys just get bored really, ain't ya? So I don't want to keep doing that. So yeah, so I am planning on coming back, but with a slight difference. My videos will come out when I think they're worth posting. You gonna nod? No, what is the matter with everyone today? Why is no one nodding? I know some of you are going to say, well, I don't nod. Well, that's up to you, but what the fuck? It's a 61 hour road, you bellend! What a twat! And they moan about bikers breaking the speed limits and stuff. Look, you get people like that. Absolute japsai. Sorry, got distracted. Yeah, the plan is to bring you videos when I think they're worth bringing to you. So don't expect a video every week or every 2 weeks. I'll post a video if I think it's worth watching. And hopefully the videos I make that I do post are going to be enjoyable and are going to be worth watching. So with that said, what am I thinking about making? Well, obviously I'm going to do a review on this Aprilia. I'm going to do a review on my Ducati Scrambler. I might try and do a review on the wife's Triumph Street Twin, because that's a really, really nice bike. But unfortunately, the wife's bike has actually been put away for winter. Well, I've spent ages cleaning it, covered it all up for her. So that is actually probably not going to happen till the decent weather next year. So you'll have to wait for that one, unfortunately. But it gives me something to post, doesn't it? Need to stop being a dick. It's just so hard. I find it so difficult to ride this bike nicely. I think it's a mixture of the sort of the riding position, the sound, and the power. It is so powerful. The adrenaline rush you get when you do pull on that throttle, it's ridiculous. Anyway guys, I haven't really got a great deal else to say. I just wanted to bring a video out to you to let you know that I am coming back. Give you the heads up on a few changes, a bit of an idea of what's coming on the channel, and apologise for being gone for so long. But it was all for good reason. I feel revived, I'm ready to come back into YouTube, and I'm ready to bring you some good content, I hope. But anyway guys, thank you very much for watching, much appreciated, and I shall speak to you on the next video. Catch you later.